The 3 emotional benefits of gesture drawing. Benefit 1. Not caring. Let's face it, life is a lot. We're constantly juggling expectations, deadlines, and the pressure to get everything just right. But something I've found is that gesture drawing gives you room to breathe because it's not about perfection. Actually, it's the complete opposite. It's about letting go of the need to get it right. No details, no proportions, no pressure. It's all about using your pencil to capture the purest essence of what you're drawing. So if your drawing looks bad, don't worry, it's supposed to. This brings us to benefit number 2, and that is being in a state of flow. You know, I'm talking about that feeling you get when you're so immersed in what you're doing that the world just fades away. That's what happens when you lose yourself in gesture drawing, line after line and shape after shape. You just feel your mind calm down. All your worries, all the things you can't control, they all just melt into the background. And when you become present, you stay in the moment. The present becomes a gift to your mind, to give it space, to breathe, to heal, which, let's face it, is what it deserves, isn't it? And finally, benefit number 3, a sense of improvement. Gesture drawing is all about repetition, going through example after example. And repetition, well, that's the mother of skill, isn't it? It's nice to know that with every stroke, every sketch, you're building something. And it's not just the drawing in front of you, but it's something on the inside, within yourself. Over time, your lines will be more refined, your shapes more dynamic, and with that improvement will come something even more powerful, a sense of pride, a reminder that you're growing, evolving, getting better every day, and that feeling, it's priceless. If you want to take it to the next level and learn how to get your art down to a science, then watch the video on screen now. Until then, stay pure, stay pencil.